Honey Mint Turbo Bright Double Action Face Wash. 2x brightening power, charcoal and vitamin C युक्त.
Let's be honest, chocolate chip cookies are always good, but when you have a really, really good one, it's life-changing. We pretty much bought all the chocolate chips in New York City. We baked, we tested, we ate, and now we have the ultimate chocolate chip recipe for you. We're gonna ball out with a few extra flavors, but really all you need for cookies are sugar, flour, fat, egg.
शुरू करते हैं। मैंने एक बोल में ऐड किया है दूंगी एंड हमें बैट इसको रेसिपी आप ज़रूर देखिएगा। ये जो ड्राइड मिक्स हमारे, अगर आपको मेरी रेसिपी अच्छी लगी तो उसे ज़रूर शेयर करना। सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल।